Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms, resulting from a chemical reaction within their bodies. This phenomenon is most commonly found in marine life, including jellyfish, plankton, and fish, but also occurs in terrestrial organisms like fireflies, fungi, and some types of worms. The light is produced when an enzyme called luciferase catalyzes the oxidation of a molecule called luciferin, releasing energy in the form of visible light. Bioluminescence serves various purposes in nature. In the deep ocean, where sunlight cannot penetrate, many marine organisms use bioluminescence for survival. It helps attract prey, deter predators through sudden flashes of light, or facilitate communication and mating. For example, the anglerfish uses a glowing lure to attract smaller fish. On land, fireflies use their bioluminescent glow to find mates during mating season. This natural light production is highly efficient, producing little to no heat, making it an inspiration for scientific and technological advancements. Researchers study bioluminescence to develop applications in medical imaging, environmental monitoring, and biotechnology. Beyond its scientific significance, it is also a captivating natural wonder, creating phenomena like glowing waves in forests, which have fascinated humans for centuries.